Alright, welcome to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to learn the major 7 chord. And of course we've already talked about this before, but I just want to point out how easy it is to find the note that you need to make it sound so jazzy, or whatever you want to call it. You start off by making a minor chord, ironically. Make a minor chord, let's do C minor. Right? So you know how to do that bar chord. And so you take that bar chord, and all you do is you take your pointer finger and move it up a fret and put it on that top string, and that's now your new chord. But an easier way to do it, in my opinion, is you just put your pointer finger all the way down here so you can keep that note and then do the new note with your thumb. Sorry about the noise in the background, it's the dogs are battling like polar bears. So if a major 7 is just adding an extra note to a minor chord, we know that there's 3 different spots for a minor chord. A minor chord is just 3 different notes. So you got this spot, you got this spot, and then where is this? There it is. You got those 3 spots. So you can make a bunch of different shapes with these major 7s by adding that root note. And so let's work on the next spot that is just like this. So you just add the note right there. It's almost like a major bar chord, except on the bottom strings. I almost forgot to mention that it is no longer in C minor. Of course, the chord is now G sharp major 7. Or you could say A flat major 7. Anyways, you can mess around with that for a little while, and we'll come back next week and we'll work on some other chords. Maybe we'll go to the minor 7 chord. Yes. Good luck, sir.